Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to edit your account in Adobe Photoshop. The first thing you need to do is enter the app. Once you are done with that and you are in the home page, you can just look in the top of your left corner, press on the three lines there, and now press on your account. Now look in the top of the right corner, press on the three dots there, and press on edit now. And here you can edit your account, such as your first and last name, the occupation and job title, and finally the company. Once you're done with everything, just press on save in the top of your right corner and you will be able to save any changes that you have made in the profile section. So that's pretty much it really. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for listening and see you next time. Bye bye.